Namaste and welcome, future scholars. Are you an Indian student planning to study in Canada? Adjusting a new country can be exciting but also daunting. So today we are here to guide you through essential tips that will help you navigate this incredible journey. So let's embark on this adventure together and make your transition as smooth as possible. Have you ever wondered how to blend into a Canadian culture while keeping your own identity, which is vibrant? क्या आप ready हैं to make the most of your time studying in Canada? Stay tuned as we dive into essential tips for every Indian student that should be knowing before flying west. So adjusting to Canadian culture starts with an open mind and a willingness to learn and adapt. Canadian society values individualism, equality, and diversity. One key aspect is the communication style, which tends to be direct but also polite at the same time. Understanding these nuances is very crucial. Engage actively by participating in workshops and social events organized by your university to help international students accumulate with you. Also, Canadians appreciate when you make an effort to learn about their customs and participate in local traditions such as Thanksgiving or Canada Day celebrations, such things like that. Simultaneously, maintaining your cultural identity is also very much important. Connect with the Indian community through cultural events and festivals organized by the Indian associations at your university. These groups can provide a support network that reminds you of home while you navigate your new surroundings. The Canadian educational system emphasizes critical thinking, independence, and participation. Classes often involve group discussions, presentations, and projects, which might differ from the more exam-centric approach common in India. To succeed, engage actively in these discussions and embrace group work as an opportunity to learn from diverse perspectives. Canadian professors are very approachable and they appreciate students who take initiative in their learning. Regularly attend office hours to discuss course material or seek advice on academic and career goals. Furthermore, plagiarism and academic integrity are taken very seriously. So familiarize yourself with your university's policies on academic honesty to avoid any misconduct. Universities often offer seminars on academic writing and research skills that can help you adjust to these standards. Effective financial management is very critical for international students. Start by creating a detailed budget to monitor your expenses very closely. Include your fixed costs like rent and tuition and variable costs like groceries and entertainment. Learn about cost-effective shopping habits, for instance, purchasing groceries from stores like No Frills and using student discount cards like the SPC, which is also known as the Student Price Card, and this can offer significant savings for you. Additionally, learn about the various work opportunities available on and off campus. Canadian study permits typically allow you to work up to 20 hours per week during the school terms, which can help you supplement your income. Managing your finances well will not only ease your stay but also enhance your learning experience by reducing the financial stress. Prioritizing your health and well-being is very crucial, especially when you're away from your home. Most Canadian universities offer comprehensive health plans that include medical, dental, and sometimes even vision care. Understand the details of your health insurance and make regular health checkups a priority. Mental health is equally as important as your physical health. Do not hesitate to use counseling services available at your university. These services are usually confidential and included in your university fees. Staying physically active is another key aspect of maintaining health. Engage in physical activities, whether it's joining a sports team, visiting the campus gym, or exploring Canada's vast natural landscape through activities like hiking or skiing or any other thing. Remember, maintaining a balanced lifestyle will help you improve your academic performance and the overall life satisfaction. Creating a robust support network is vital for your personal and professional development, especially if you are studying in Canada. Start by connecting with your peers in your classes and residence halls. Attend university-sponsored events and workshops that not only help you meet other students but also help you integrate into the campus community. Also, reach out to the alumni network of your university to gain insights into navigating post-graduation challenges and seizing potential job opportunities. Additionally, many Canadian universities offer mentorship programs where senior students or alumni mentor the new students. Participating in these programs can provide you with valuable guidance and facilitate smoother transitions into both the university life and the Canadian workforce. Building these connections will not only enrich your educational experience, but it will also provide a safety net as you adapt to a life in a new country. Are you feeling ready to embark on your Canadian educational journey? Let Kalam Academy be your guide. Whether it's navigating cultural differences, understanding academic expectations, or managing your finances, our team is here to help you and support you in each and every step of the way and the process. Visit our website, sign up for our personalized guidance programs, or join one of our many workshops designed specially for Indian students like you. Don't wait to make your dream a reality. Reach out today. And thank you for watching our guide on essential tips for Indian students in Canada. We hope these insights empower you to not only adapt but thrive in your new academic and social environment. Remember, studying abroad is a journey of growth and discovery, and choosing the right support can make all the difference. Embrace the opportunities, rise to the challenges, and make the most of your time in Canada. Until next time, keep pushing forward, stay curious, and keep exploring your endless possibilities. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Goodbye, and we hope to see you soon making your mark in Canada.